calculator review on the HP. A little bit different than the other calculator, but I have a problem here that we can go through. It is what will an investment of $100,000 be worth 7 years from now if you're earning 5% on your money? So if we take a look at the calculator, first we're going to want to turn it on. But one thing that might trip people up is that you have to specify how many payments per year. So for this one we just hit 1 orange, which is like a shift button, payment per year. So now that should be good. So for this one, present value is $100,000. We always want to put the present value in as negative. So then we hit present value. 5% is the interest rate, so we hit 5 and then I over year. It's 7 years, so 7N. And there's 0 payments. And then we calculate, we just hit future value, and it should give us the value of the investment after 7 years. $140,000, $710. Next problem is, what is the present value of $1,000 received yearly for the next 20 years if your required rate of return is 6%? So essentially, present value of an annuity problem. So we're looking for the present value, and we know that the payment is $1,000 per year. So we'd hit, well, first let's change the payment per year, or just make sure, to 1 payment per year. And now $1,000 is the payment. Future value is 0. Skip present value because that's what we're solving for. The interest rate is 6%, so 6I over year. 20N because it's 20 years. And then we solve for the present value, which will give us $11,469.92, which is our present value. Another bond problem, and it reads, what is the value of $1,000 par value bond paying 8% coupon yearly for 10 years if the required rate of return is 7%? So, down to the calculator. We're going to go 1 orange payment per year just to make sure. Clear that. And so $1,000 is the future value. That's the par value. That's what we're getting in the future. Our payment is $80 because it's 8%. So 80 payment. Present value is what we're solving for, so we skip that for now. Our required rate of return is 7%, so 7I over a year. And it's 10 years, so 10N. And now we solve for the present value. And it gives us 1,070.24. And that is the answer. Next problem we're looking at is a bond problem, and it reads, what is the required rate of return for a bond priced at $978, paying a 10% coupon yearly for 5 years? So we're going to solve for the interest rate. So down here on the calculator, just make sure it's a yearly payment, so 1 orange payment per year. And so our present value is the price of the bond, so 978 negative as a present value. 10% coupon, so the payment's $100. Our future value is $1,000 because that is the face value. It's 5 years. And now we just hit I over the year to get our yield to maturity or return, and it calculates it at 10.59% And that's next problem we're going to take a look at is, well, it reads, what is the future value of an annuity that pays $20,000 a year for the next 5 years if your required rate of return is 12%? So again, go down here and hit 1 orange, and it's the payment button, which is really payments per year if it's orange. Clear that. So now our payment is $20,000 per year. Payment. It's 5 years, so 5 and 12%, 12 I over year. The present value is 0. We have nothing right now. And then we just solve for the future value, which gives us $127,057 just about.